Hello everybody, we are the Black Hats starring Yap Wei Xuan, Ryan Hao, Go Jun Hong and Louis Chen. Today we'll be giving a short explanation on how the block cipher works as well as the functions it serves in the respective cryptology related fields. Firstly, we will be introducing the origins of the block cipher. It originated from the product cipher, which was suggested and analysed by Claude Shannon in 1949. Claude Shannon was considered to be one of the fathers for mathematical cryptography. It was initially invented to enhance security by combining simple operations such as substitution and permutation. The earliest form of block cipher was termed Cipher and was developed by Horst Wieselt at IBM. Today, the most common forms of block ciphers are used in advanced encryption and data encryption system. AES is classified as a substitution permutation network. DES is a Wieselt cipher. Wieselt networks were first seen in 1973, designed by Horst Wieselt and Don Coppersmith. Wieselt was involved in pioneering research, working for International Business Machines Corporation when he discovered the cipher.
Following this, we'll be showing you an example of how the block cipher works. Firstly, we'll have to start with a plain text, which will be in simple English. The method to encrypt the plain text is simply just to convert the letters into numbers. A being 1, B being 2, C being 3, and so on and so forth. Spacing will be considered as the 27th letter. Black hats will then be converted into 2, 12, 1, 3 according to the key. The significance of the block cipher will be simply just to arrange these 9 letters into blocks of 3. Therefore, 2, 12, 1, 3, 11, 8, and 1, 20, 19 will be in their respective groups. Next, an invertible matrix E will now be generated. This E will be randomly generated from the computer. The following procedures will then take place. Multiply the numbers in the first column by the numbers in E, and you will get the respective values. These respective values will then be grouped into groups of 3. So now we have the ciphertext. Yay! Now you have to break the encrypted text 43, 15, 31 into one group, 63, 22, 52 into another group, and 120, 40, and 99 into the last group. Finding the inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix is intricate and fairly complicated. Hence, we will not go into much details on how to derive at the answer. However, if you are really interested, we can explain it to you visually afterwards. After obtaining the inverse of the invertible matrix, multiply the encrypted numbers with the matrix, and you will arrive at the answer. Now, the following procedures will take place. Multiply the numbers in the first columns by the numbers in E. There you will get 43 times -1 plus 15 times 3 plus 31 times 0, you get 2. Then use this method and you will get the other answers. Then do the same with the second column and the same with the third column, and you will get a string of 9 numbers which will be your encrypted text. Then after you get the 9 numbers, After you get the 9 numbers, convert it back into letters where A equals 1 and so on. There you will get the result black hats again.
So, what exactly is the block cipher?
These are the 3 most common block ciphers in use today: DES, Blowfish, and AES. DES is now considered to be the most insecure due to its small bit size. Blowfish was invented as a successor to DES, but eventually AES was chosen over it due to Blowfish's susceptibility to attacks on weak keys, and AES is now used worldwide.
So, what exactly are the applications of the block cipher? Loopholes of the block ciphers! The key of the DES cipher is a regular 56 by 56 block. Given the processing power of modern computers, it will take a short time for every possible combination to be tried out. Hence, a key can be identified, which will decipher the ciphertext into a legible message. The key of an AES block cipher is a 128 by 128 block. Assuming a computer can crack a 36-bit cipher per second, it will take the computer approximately 1.49 times 10 to the power of 12 years to crack the AES block cipher. That is longer than the time of the universe. Or there is no weakness to the AES block cipher. Thank you and have a nice day.
Created using Powtoon.